Stop leaving money on the table, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock bonus earnings with Honeygain promo codes. First things first, navigating to your profile section within the Honeygain app is essential. Tap to open the app, which will bring you to the dashboard. Look for an icon that often resembles a person or a settings gear. Click that to go into your user profile. Once you're in the profile, look for an option like redeem code, apply coupon, or something similar. It's usually near your account details or settings. Tap on it. This is where the magic happens. In the text box that appears, carefully type in your Honeygain promo code. Double check you've entered it correctly. Capitalization matters. A typo will render the code invalid. After entering the code, hit apply or redeem. If the code is valid, you should see a confirmation message popping up. This indicates the bonus has been successfully applied to your account. Now head back to your Honeygain dashboard. You may notice your earnings have increased, or that you've received a boost to your earning rate. This confirms the promo code has worked. Need to find codes? A quick web search for Honeygain promo code is your best bet. Check social media, promo websites, and even Honeygain's official blog for the latest offers. And that's it. You're now a Honeygain promo code pro. Start maximizing your passive income today. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more Honeygain tips and tricks.